Yeah, so today me and Chica are gonna work together to create a pizza. So Chica, what do we need first?
Pizza.
I know, boy.
We need bread.
We need bread. All right, let's go. Come on, Chica.
Abracadabra.
Okay, so we got the bread, guys. What else are we doing to Chica?
Pizza sauce. We need pizza sauce.
Oh, I can go look. Where are pizza sauce? Where do you think pizza sauce is, Chica?
The fridge.
The fridge. Okay.
Ketchup will be fine. Ketchup will be fine. That's basically tomato sauce. Sorry, all people out there who doesn't think that's tomato sauce.
Here's some ketchup. We got the ketchup. See?
Okay.
Tomato ketchup.
We need pepperonis and cheese. Cheese is in the fridge.
Okay, yeah.
We need pepperonis. Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets.
Okay, here's wait no. Do we need no? That's not the right chicken. We need yes.
We need cheese and pepperonis.
Okay, so
chicken nuggets.
We're trying to cook.
You're cooking chicken nuggets.
Okay. So we got the
cheese.
The triple cheddar cheese.
Chica,
We got triple cheddar cheese for the pizza.
What about pepperoni?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yes. In the fridge. That's sausage.
I know, but if I cut it up,
Yeah. Give it here.
Okay, yeah, so we got, is that all the ingredients, Chica?
And we need some paprika.
Oh, what's paprika, Chica?
Paprika. It's in the cabinet over there. It's in that cabinet over there.
Okay, so
Paprika. Oh. Hey, Gannon. Chicken nuggets.
Here is the paprika.
Chica.
Oh yeah. Hey Gannon, we're just making a cooking show for pizza.
Okay.
We're just
That's all we need.
Okay.
Abracadabra. Here we got a pizza.
Okay.
That's all for now.
Wait, Chica. Here, we gotta cook it.
We already did cook it. I gotta leave.
Hold on, Chica. Lay that in there. Okay, now we wait.
Okay, your pizza's done. And that's it for now. We're gonna eat this pizza up later.
Okay, bye guys!